What's up, Food Jacks? You guys ready? I told you this was coming. It's called Reheatza. It's a microwave crisper. I thought it was like the Rangemate Pro, which worked out really great. This is a lot less expensive, and I think it is like the Rangemate Pro, but they're calling it a crisper, where the Rangemate Pro was considered like a microwave grill. So I'm going to try and do some grilling in this. I'm going to do the same things I did in the other video. We're going to do some chicken and asparagus, grilled cheese, fry up a couple eggs, and see how it goes. You guys ready? Come on in close. Okay, so I am noticing that this rubber seal around here is very thin and very flimsy. Doesn't feel like it's got much quality at all. How's it feeling here? This feels okay. Put this in the microwave for 2 minutes, and I'm not going to show you every time, but every time you start cooking, you warm this 2 minutes in the microwave. So let's do it right now. Drop it in. Oh yeah, doing good. Put my 2 eggs in here. Now the instructions don't talk about poaching or sunny side up or anything. They only say scramble. So I'm experimenting. Close it back up. We're gonna cook it for, is it warm? No, it's good. It's been 3 minutes. The eggs didn't stick at all. So you can see, I could possibly just slide them right out. Let's do this, here we go. Wow. I'm just gonna pour it straight on. There we go. Oh, that's nice and hot. You can hear it sizzling already. Let's bring it out and see what it looks like. It says to take it out and use a spatula to move it around a little bit. Just kind of move your eggs. And in for 1 more minute. Okay, let's take a look. Are we done? Are these eggs done? Oh yeah, these eggs are done. Very slick surface. Nothing is sticking to it at all. I'm gonna just wipes right out clean. Amazing. So now it's time to reheat this. I'm gonna do like we did in the other video. Just put a little bit of oil on there so we can get that hot and good. While it's reheating, I got 2 minutes to put a little bit of oil on these beautiful asparagus spears. Put a little seasoning on them. This is the best gourmet seasoning you'll ever taste. Right there, it's my brand. Got all that goodness in it already. Don't need to add anything else. Toss them around, get them coated. All right, here we go. Get these on here. There we go. That's as beautiful as the ring. Look at tender, tender, firm but tender, firm but tender. Oh my gosh, I get excited. All right, there we go. Now, because this pan is already preheated, I can go straight into my chicken. I don't have to worry about preheating it. Here we go. Put that right in there. I've seasoned it. Back in you go. All right, this chicken has taken a lot longer to cook than I thought. We kept adding time until it got to a point where we thought it was done. We've done a total of 20 minutes. It's now where it needs to be. I'm gonna go for it. We're gonna put our sandwich in here. Look, it's already melting the butter. I got 2 pieces of bread with butter. Whoops, I'll put it this way. Get my cheese. Got my cheese on there. We're gonna pop it in for a few minutes and see how it does. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, everything's all nice and melted, but the bread is soggy. It didn't even brown the bread on the outside. That's not quite good for grilled cheese, because you need an outer crust. I don't see that happening at all. If the bread is, yeah, that one didn't get crispy either. Reheatza is a perfect name for it. It's just for reheating food, not so much cooking food in my mind. I have a link down below if you want to get this, if you're a reheat pizza guy. It also claims to be a microwave crisper, and it did absolutely no crisping at all with the grilled cheese. So you can get this for around $40, and I believe the Range Pro that I showed was around $60, but it did everything flawlessly. So once again, this isn't a failure. It's all up to you guys. You saw the results. I'm leaving it with you, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.